Alright now everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now if you watched the last video, I was bucking up some cottonwood. I got about a half a truckload of cottonwood. I need to finish out my load, so I came back over here to this Hackberry and hopefully I can cut this. It does have some wood chips piled up on it, so I don't know, that shouldn't hurt my saw too much to cut through wood chips. I don't think there's any dirt or anything in there, so the chain's going to need to be sharpened soon anyways. I think I'm just going to try to go through it and see if I can't make some wood. So thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go ahead watch some videos if you do, please, nice feller. And so that's what we're doing, just a quick little video here today. Not much else to say. Well, who knows what'll come up that's interesting, but we're going to be bucking up some hackberry wood, and I'm going to get it on the splitter and try to get my truck filled up and get the hell out of here because it's 92 degrees today. It's just greasy out here, you know what I'm saying? And also, I don't have my chaps on. Don't feel like putting them back on. They're really hot right now, and I just want to get moving. So, say what you will, but you know what? I do need to put my hearing protection in, though. Let me get some earplugs, and I'll be right back with you. All right, everybody, let's see if we can't make some hackberry firewood. See if I can get through this stuff here. Alright everybody, I got a couple pieces of that wood off there. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought. It goes under those wood chips pretty good. But hackberry is some good wood. The only thing with hackberry, and I've mentioned it before, is it gets that green color on it. You can see that. and there's nothing I can do about it. It's good burning wood, it just doesn't present very well, and if you give that to somebody, they might think they're getting moldy wood or wood with algae growth on it or something, but that's just what a lot of hackberry does. It doesn't all do that. I've kept some in the woodshed out of the sun and out of the elements and real dry and everything, and it dried up real nice. I mean, it was just nice white, light, dry burning wood, but when you stack that stuff out in the pile in the elements, it just gets that green color to it. Nothing wrong with it. I'd burn it. It just doesn't present real well. I don't like giving that to people, but I gotta make the money. So here we go. Let me get this split up, and I'm about done wrestling that damn hackberry log. They got another nice oak log over here. If I need more wood, I can buck up that little piece of oak and get a couple pieces, because I don't think that's going to fill up my truck, what I just got over here. Anyways, getting ants on me again today. And we got nice little flowers coming out here. There's a close-up for you there. There's all kinds of little flowers out here. All right, let me get splitting this wood. All right now, everybody, that's that hackberry wood. Not quite a truckload. I wanted to go ahead and top it off, finish off that little back space and pile it up a little bit more. So that's what I did. I went over here and I just bucked up a few oak rounds and a few mulberry rounds. You can't really see them, they're down in there though. So I got a little bit more wood, and I'm just going to kind of polish off this load here. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I got some nice hot burning oak over here. Well, all right now, I got this load of wood finished up. It's an interesting mix of wood. I got some oak, some elm, some mulberry, some cottonwood, and some maple, and some hackberry. So, I mean, if this was the only load of wood that I had personally, I would have no problem burning it. It's a nice little mix of wood. It gets the job done. You just have a merry little time. You have your Christmas party and you throw a stick of that hackberry in there and sit back with the kiddos and just have a good old time and watch it burn. It's not a problem. It will burn. So I got a couple, I got plenty more of that oak, a couple extra rounds bucked up there, and plenty of work. I still got to work on this walnut with the vines on it. Not really looking forward to that. It just got to tear into it and get going on it. Haven't had the time to do that yet. So anyways, I'm gonna head on out of here for today. I'll see you guys next video.